Here is a fun puzzle. Maria is 3 times as old as her little brother. In 4 years, she will be only twice as old as him. How old is each of them right now?
Oh, that one is easy. She is 3 times older now. So she must always be 3 times older, right? Wait a second. Let me think. Pause the video and try it yourself. Does 3 times really stay the same as they both grow up?
Here is the secret. The gap between their ages never changes. Right now, the little brother is 1 part. Maria is 3 parts. So the gap between them is 2 parts. Watch Gigi measure that gap with her neck. Now jump 4 years ahead. They both grow by the same 4 years, so the gap stays the very same size. But now, Maria is only twice as old, so Maria is 2 parts and her brother is 1 part. This time, the gap is just one of these bigger parts. The gap did not change, so 2 small parts must equal 1 big part. The brother grew 4 years to go from 1 small part to 1 big part. So 1 small part is 4 years. That means the brother is 4 years old now. And Maria is 12.
And look at me. The gap was 8 the whole time. 12 take away 4 is 8. 4 years later, 16 take away 8 is also 8. The gap never moves.
See what happened? 3 times quietly became 2 times. But the gap stayed frozen at 8 the entire time. When the ages keep changing and you need something solid to hold on to, find the difference that never moves. This is the big idea. Find the constant difference. If 2 ages change, but the gap between them stays the same, use that steady gap to unlock the whole puzzle. Look for 2 people growing together and ask, what stays the same? Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.